We're out here at the lake today. It's a little gloomy. That's cool. Keeps us cool. I was learning to respect my elders, so I made sure I checked with them. I said, do what you want, man. Scare the fish our way. So let's see what the Motley crew is gonna do. Changed out the motor. Got the 4255 on it today. We just picked it up from eBay. This boat's not the fastest, but it sure is a lot of fun. And it's a classic. Who doesn't love a classic? Let me zoom in a little bit there. Going on 2 minutes almost. Full throttle the whole time. Uh-oh. Power cut. Maybe it got hot. There's no signal. No signal. Let's see what happened. Talk about time. We did get a little bit of water in here, but not compared to the big pool we were getting before. I think it's coming in from the stuffing tube, because before it was leaking from the motor. So good thing I didn't put the GPS in here. We're gonna have to figure out what's going on with this one, but there's no power whatsoever. Oh, ESC is kind of hot. Let's check the temp. Even though it shouldn't count because it took me a minute to go grab the boat. We hit 123 on here. I want to upgrade the ESC anyway. Motor is cool. 97 is the hottest on the motor. Wires, 90s. But yeah, we're not getting no power, so it's probably the ESC. So this was all back here. I didn't even notice it until right now. I was about to move the boat and I saw this line. So I don't know if maybe that jammed it up and caused some issues. We'll find out when we get home. Got movement. Track, start, stop, read, 0 miles, confirmed. Track, start. The moment you guys have been waiting for. Make sure we got, yep. Full throttle. I think it was faster last time, huh? Quarter throttle. Full throttle. Stop. Read. 61 miles per hour. We didn't change nothing. Yeah, it was way faster last time. I don't know what I did. Batteries in the same spot, same prop. I don't think I moved my CG, nothing. Yeah, I'm on full throttle. This thing's going slow. Something ain't right. Nah, this thing was way faster last time. You guys seen it? Now that we got the GPS in it, she wanna act funny. It's always when you don't have your GPS when you get your best speeds out of these things. Might have to bring that CG back a little bit. That's what it is, probably. I say anytime you take out a Veles and you don't flip it over, that's a good sign, I would say. Uh-oh. I think I already know what that is. Oh yeah, something ain't right. This thing's filled up with water, guys. That's why it was going so slow. I got a water leak up in here, so we're gonna have to figure that out. Dang it. Not that it matters, because it took me a little bit to get up here. We're at 116 on the motor, 119 back here, 121, packs, 140. 140. Dang, got a little hot there. Oh yeah, we fried it right here. I see what happened. I'm gonna have to upgrade my my bullet plugs to 6mm like Boatworks tells me. I jacked up right there, so that's got to change. But yeah, other than that, I got to figure out how all this water got in here. Found the culprit, guys. My dumbass forgot to put the plug back in. That's why this thing was going so dang slow. So that's how we got all this water in here. When I aired out the boat last time we went out, I forgot to freaking put the drain plug back in. Dang it, Bobby. All right, At least this thing's still alive. We got this thing zeroed out. Let's see what it does, huh, fellas? Flipped over. Flipped over. We broke the rudder bolt because it's not wanting to turn. No, we're good. All right. Yeah, I did break the rudder or something because it's going left on its own. See? It won't turn. A little submarine action. What the hell? Oh, look what we got on here, guys. Somebody's fishing shit. We got rudder. I think what was happening was I was going full throttle against the wind, and we caught some air. There we go, full throttle on the turn. Rogala, what am I doing wrong, bro? Wish you were my neighbor, I'm telling you. Power cut. Low voltage. Let's bring it in, see what she did. All right, just so you guys see, we don't do no cheat codes over here. 55. I can't drive 55. Well, let's go ahead and check what it do up in here. 137 in the packs. Battery wires. The 90s 100. Motor. 104. 104. 108 in the back. 116, 123 on the wires. I'm trying to get to the pack. It's under here. 105 on the pack. I don't think I can reach the batteries, but let's check. 96, 96 was the highest. Good morning. All right, guys. So, we ended up doing 55 with the Popeye today. I didn't really tune it yet. I just wanted to see what it would do. I do notice that this moved because I had it like about a mil, maybe half a mil right above. And I have this thing tight like a mother, so I don't know how it dropped. That's weird. Maybe I hit something. If I hit something, it would have went up. But yeah, that's where we're at today, guys. Let's bring the Swee'Pea in. Got the Popeye stuck in the roots over there. I mean the Swee'Pea. I'm gonna call him the Popeye for. It's the Swee'Pea. Look at the Swee'Pea go. I need to bring me a little chair or something so I could post up right here and just enjoy these. So you guys see there's olive oil, Swee'Pea, Wimpy's on the back. He's just swinging around. Then you got Popeye over here on this side, making sure everything's all right. Tell me that's not the coolest Horizon Harbor tugboat on the scene right now, guys. The Popeye thing. This thing go. I love this boat. We have a lot of fun with this boat. Kick on the cannons. Let Swee'Pea shoot out some water cannons action. That turning radius, man. Oops. Let me zoom out here. See what I'm doing. Try not to step in this dog poo. Thank you. She said, how cute. Everybody's loving the Swee'Pea, man, I'm telling you. Already had a couple with their kids stop by. Trying to drain out this battery a little bit. Just sit right here in the back of my car. Swee'Pea. Cracks me up as a Wimpy right there on the back. He's a swinging around with his burgers. Watch this. You don't see him? He's right there. This is just for fun, guys. I'm not out here trying to panhandle on YouTube. This is just for fun, guys. I also gotta remind you guys this video is not sponsored. Sponsored by my pockets, maybe, but that's about it. Can't end the video without Swee'Pea hitting the cannons for you guys one time. And there's Swee'Pea playing with his water cannons. All in all, even though we almost sunk the Rockstar, even though we burnt up the bullet connectors on our motor, on the Motley crew. And you guys see this new sticker we got on here for the Motley crew, which I think suits it just right. It's Motley crew. Popeye, you did all right. I pushed you a little hard against the wind, made you flip. That was my bad. I'm gonna see if our brother Rogala has any tips for us on what he's seen today. Yeah, all in all, it was a good day. Thanks, Ducks, for letting me use your spot. I'm out of here. Good to have it back. We're out.